Now that we've created our sketch, let's take a look at using some of the sketching tools. So all of the sketching tools will be held under the Sketch tab, and I have a number of tools I can use here. Let's start with the most frequent, might just be the Line tool, and L is the hotkey shortcut for that, but I'll just click on the Line command. And notice that I'm automatically thrown into the Insert Line property panel here, and I can choose some options there, or I can just draw directly into my workspace. So to draw a line, I just click once for the start point and click again for the end point. So there's my first line. Notice that as I continue on, I didn't leave the line command. And in fact, it's assumed that you're going to draw multiple lines that will be connected and not just a single line in most cases. However, if I only want a single line, I can just hit the escape key to jump out of the line command. And now I just have that single line drawn. But if I'd like to delete that line, I can just click on it and hit the delete key. And let's run through that once more. So I'll go to the line command. Notice I have the pencil icon on my mouse cursor now, indicating that I'm drawing a line. And click once to start, click again to finish, and maybe click again to add another line, and another line, and another line, as many lines as I see fit. Right. Also notice that you might see here those yellow temporary axes. So those are just there to help guide our drawing. So if we want to go, say, parallel to our last line, or normal or perpendicular to our last line, we can just hover over and we'll jump straight to those yellow temporary axes there. So again, I can just draw as many line segments as I'd like, and then once I'm finished with my sketch, hit the escape key. You can also just hit Control Z to undo any of this, or delete each entity, click on each entity, hit delete. I can also box select. So if I just click and drag anywhere in my workspace here, I can select whatever I'd like with a box select, and then just hit the delete key to delete all those lines there. The other sketching tools work in a very similar manner. So let's say we want to draw a circle. I can just grab the circle command. And slightly different here, we have a couple different methods to generate our circle. So we have a center point radius circle, as well as a 3-point circle. So depending how you prefer to generate your circles, you have a couple options, and you can just click whichever one best suits you. So let's try center radius. So my first click, it kind of indicates it to us in this figure here, but my first click will be my center point, and my second click will be my outer radius. And again, once I'm finished drawing circles, I can just hit the escape key. Let's just try the rectangle as well. And again, we have a number of different methods to generate my rectangle. The one I most frequently use is either corner-corner or center-corner. So again, the figure kind of explains it to us, which is nice, but we have a 1-2 corner. So first click will be my bottom left corner. Next click will be my top corner. And I can change this to center corner. So now my first click will be the center of the rectangle, and my second click will be some outer corner of the rectangle. And all of the other sketching tools work in a similar manner.